Whenever you're ready.
Hi, my name's Nick Bilinsky. This is my Jeep truck. It's a 48 Willys Pickup. It's kind of been a work in progress. It was a farm truck, and I've had it since I think 2016. Bed on the back is custom made by me.
Awesome.
Replicate the original size of the bed as close as I could.
I like the bullet holes on the back.
Like the bullet holes.
Oh yeah.
That's the rest of the truck is pretty much basically all stock. I pretty much just fixed up everything mechanically I could do. I rebuilt the engine, the transmission, the whole running gear, brakes, fuel tank, fuel line. Mechanically everything's been done over. But the rest is just basically left to look like the old original.
All stock, all original.
Stock
Awesome.
wheels.
Oh, perfect. Did this come black or did you?
No, this truck was yellow. It was actually light yellow, and the only thing you could see left of it was probably that silver screen under the
Oh, okay.
grill
Yeah.
there. It was a lightish yellow color. Not much of it left.
I kind of like the black.
Partial to it too.
So are you local here? Did it take you far to get here?
Weird town. This is the farthest I've ever driven this truck.
Oh, you drove it.
I drove it here today. It's all but about 40 miles from my house. So
Okay.
it took me about an hour to get here.
Yes, like I'm sure the top speed's about 40 miles an hour.
45 on the flat, maybe 50 going downhill.
Yeah. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right, have a good one.